Yeah. Role in financial services. The role in financial services means financial institutions are providing the following services. First one is promoting investment. All financial institutions are established in our country to promoting the investment services towards the business houses and also the general public, encouraging their investment in the different sectors. Okay, in mutual funds, sales, etc. And next one is savings. Yes, savings, you can say that so many mutual fund organizations, so many private organizations, insurance companies, that they are encouraging pensioners, that the pension policies also there, encouraging to have a pension benefits from the organizations, means financial organization. They are encouraging to maintain mobilizing of the savings. Financial institutions are encouraging all the people, business sources people, maybe normal people, they are trying to encourage to maintain the savings in their respective accounts of the financial institutions. And also minimizing the risk. Insurance companies here playing a vital role to minimizing the risk. That is, when the business organizations are maintaining any fluctuations in their business, or maybe if they want to, is there any case, if in case it may have to face natural calamities, those are all covered by the insurance company. That is minimizing the risk. And maximization of the returns. How it is means providing all types of credit facilities towards the business organizations, which leads to maximum producing of the products. Automatically it can do maximum sales, it can earn maximum profit, and it can repay that particular credit. So in that way we can financial services here maximizing the returns. And next one is economic growth. All financial institutions are established in our country, not only in our country, in the world, to create a remarkable growth of the economy. Means, but we can say that now online services of the banking, advancement of the banking institutions, which leads to online transactions and online services. What now we are enjoying to live in this pandemic situation also. So that is, we can say that financial institutions are playing a vital role for the development of the economic growth. And next one, factoring services. Factoring services means first one is discount rate is nothing but if the factor if the customer has to pay the amount towards the factor within the 45 days, factoring organization has says that we have to pay 5% of the factoring charges. If not, each and every week I have to collect 1% of the charges. So automatically we can say that 45 days, 7 weeks, 7%. But at a time after 45 days, it would like to pay the entire amount. The factoring organization is offering the 5% of the factoring charges. That is, we can say the discount rate or the factoring rate. And next one, advance rate. So initially it may give some price rebate advancedly within before going the closing of the tenure of that particular factoring agreement. If you are paid in advancedly, I can give some price rebate. That may call upon as the advance rate. And reserve account. Every factoring company has to maintain for the provision of factoring financial services towards their client, at least 10 to 15 members ki pay chesela, it has to maintain a reserve account of funds. And next one is spot factoring. Yes, actually first 80% pay chesi next 20% pay cheyali, but I can pay at a time 100% towards the client, but I can charge a premium charge of factoring charges అని మనం క్లయింట్తో అగ్రిమెంట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు, if the client is accepted, we can do the spot factoring services also. This is about this topic. Thank you.